What's the meaning of Arthur Sullivan? Arthur Sullivan. Arthur Sullivan.
Arthur Sullivan. Arthur Sullivan. Arthur Sullivan was an English composer who lived in the 19th century. He is best known for his collaboration with librettist W. S. Gilbert, creating 14 comic operas or operettas that are collectively known as the Savoy Operas. Sullivan's music was notable for its melodic ingenuity and wit, earning him critical acclaim during his lifetime and lasting popularity in the present day. His legacy has influenced many composers of light opera and musical theater, cementing his status as an important figure in the development of these genres.